We got some new word from China about more crypto crackdowns this morning. Eunice Yoon joins us with more. Eunice.
Thanks so much, Andrew. Well, in the past hour, the names of crypto exchanges have been blocked on Chinese social media. So searches for Binance, Huobi, as well as OKX, both in English and Chinese, are banned on the search engine Baidu, as well as China's Twitter-like service Weibo. So this move comes after some of the accounts of influential crypto folks in China were disabled over the weekend, but perhaps in a sign of Beijing's tolerance of crypto trading, or maybe an admission that it can't actually completely cut off demand here for cryptocurrencies. About 2/3 of those accounts for those crypto influencers came back. They came back and reopened accounts. And also what's interesting is that some of the most influential people in crypto, such as the CEO of OKX, still does have an account open. So a really interesting pattern is that the people who are being banned tend to be ones who are offering up advice on trading. So likely a move by the Chinese to try to clamp down and take some of the froth off of the cryptocurrency trading here in China.
Hey, Eunice, what's the take there, though, in China? I mean, among the public, among people in crypto land, some people look at this and say, look, if a government's trying to shut this down, actually, it's almost a credentializing mechanism that there's value. And then there's others that say, look, if one of the biggest countries in the world is saying, we're not doing this, it means that this thing has no value.
Yeah, it really depends on who you ask. I was talking with some folks in the government who had said that this isn't going to really take off, that at some point people are going to go back to using just regular cash, not cash, but, digital currency, and not be so interested in cryptocurrency and see it more as an asset. But at the same time, I do speak to a lot of people in tech, and those folks believe that cryptocurrency trading is here to stay, that this is a decentralized currency, and the Chinese government, as well as other governments, can't really do anything about the demand and the future, they believe, of these cryptocurrencies.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.